How to log in to 99 bank account online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to 99 bank account online. To do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Once you open the web browser, now in the search bar, you will need to type in bank99.at. Once you have entered this keyword, now press an enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of 99 Bank. Here, if the language is not in English, you may also select the English option from the pop-up that appears at the top right. Once you have selected it, now in this interface, click on this Yes, Accept All Cookies in order to proceed further. Once you click on it, now in this interface at the top right, you will be able to locate Login button. Go ahead and simply click on this login and then a pop-up will appear. Here, now you will need to select this online banking option. Simply click on it. Now you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see this pop-up on your screen. Now here, you will need to enter your username and your login credentials in order to log in to your account. Simply enter your username in this field and then click on this further option right here. If in case you don't remember your username, you may also click on this forgot your username link just below the further button, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover your username. Now after entering the credentials, click on this further button right here. After that, you will be prompted to enter the password of your account. Make sure to enter the correct password here. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgot your password link just below the register button at the bottom, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. And once you have resetted your password, enter the correct password in this field and then click on this register button right here. And soon after doing that, you will be able to log in to your 99 bank account online. So this is how you can log in to your 99 bank account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.